What is the circumference of the circle to the left with center x? So in order to find the circumference, basically we need any other information about the circle. The radius, the diameter, the area, any of those things would help us. Statement 1, the length of the arc ABC is 4 pi. So this, ABC, is 4 pi. The reason this helps us is that this is exactly 1/4 of the circumference of the circle. The 90-degree angle tells us that this is 1/4 of the 360 degrees of the circle, so 4 times this value will be the circumference of the circle. This one's sufficient. We get rid of B, C, and E. Statement 2 is the trickier one. It says the perimeter of triangle AXC is 16 plus 4 times the square root of 8. Yuck! However, some properties of circles and triangles inscribed therein can help us out. Since x is the center of the circle, AX is equal to XC. That makes it an isosceles triangle. On top of that, this is a 90-degree angle, which makes it a 45-45-90 triangle. So this is the radius, and this is the radius of the circle. Remember that the circumference is 2 pi r. So if we can find the radius, we're set. We know that the perimeter of this triangle is going to be r plus, remember the diagonal of a 45-45-90 triangle, the sides are always in the proportion x to x times the square root of 2. So whatever this is, it's going to be the radius times the square root of 2. And we have that value. It looks like it'll be ugly to convert 2r plus r times the square root of 2 to figure out what r is in this thing, but we don't have to calculate it. We just have to know that this is equal to this, 16 plus 4 times the square root of 8. This is an actual number. If you had a calculator or enough time, you could find this number and figure all of this out. It's data sufficiency, so you don't have to. You just have to know that it's one variable and a real number on the other side, so it's sufficient. Each statement alone is sufficient.